What is going on, everyone? Hold on, listen to the awesome Duramax noises. God, I love this truck. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Thank you guys for checking in. We are on our way to Jason Harris's Fab Shop. Always cool to go down there and check out what's going on, but we're going down there for business. As you guys have seen in previous videos, I am ditching the dash to the F-body. It's in good condition, it's gone. Put it up on Facebook Marketplace. Got a text from someone I know, hey, I want that dash. Hey man, I got a dash that I don't need. So I talked to Jason previously and we agreed that I would take a 5.3 off his hands for some payment, and that payment is going to be a dash, which I'm super excited about. Before we head down there, I'm going to pick up a special guest, and I think you guys will enjoy that because you guys have commented that you want to see more action like this on the channel. So I'm giving you people what you want. Doesn't get much better than that. I'm literally like the Burger King of YouTubers. You could have it your way. Just let me know. So I am going to get to driving here. You guys don't need to see all this nonsense in traffic. And when I get closer, I'll pick back up with you guys. Guys, we are almost there, and we got little fins back in the video. You're not gonna hit him with like any.
Scared.
Why?
This is not safe.
She says it's unsafe to hold a camera and drive. Honestly, you guys see me all the time where I'm vlogging. I take another hand off the wheel. At least I'll keep one on here this time. But I've missed the 4 turns on the way out here. But we are almost here at Jason's shop. It's very distracting to ride around with Lily because all she does is sing and scream and like point at people out the window.
You're right. They were having it the other day. Actually,
truth. If you guys want to check that out, follow her on Instagram because it's normally on her Instagram story. So I'll link that. Like here, you could point to where you want it linked. Up here at Jason's shop, like I said 30 times, and this is the wonderful dash that we are trading. I know, great trade. This thing's mint. It's broken in one spot. It happens. But other than that, I mean, look at this. OEM. Where the hell is Lily, though? What the hell are you doing? Literally can't take you anywhere, can we?
Nope.
Jason, when Jason sees us, he's gonna beat your ass. You're playing on a shit like a jungle gym.
How are you?
Did you get my Snapchat?
I did.
Oh god dang. Lily was up on the ladder twerking.
Oh, really?
So you just missed it. What's up, dude?
Really
hey, congrats on the win.
Yeah.
Everyone check out his Instagram because this man is out there whooping ass.
Yes.
Pro.
I won qualifier and I won. Just like all the moons aligned and.
That was like light work for you, huh?
Yeah.
So you're gonna do it again next weekend or whenever you're racing next?
2 weeks, Virginia.
And you're just gonna sweep them.
Yeah.
Same thing.
Yeah.
What do you have to say to the pro nitrous world out there? Step their shit up.
You better step your shit up. Nah. They're stepped up. It's tough. I mean, you got to be on it.
What'd you run? What was your fastest pass there?
71.
So you went 371.
203.
At 203 miles an hour and 660 feet.
And 3,600 foot of air.
Which is like, for those of you viewers that don't know, that's like awful air.
Yeah, it was 4,100. I went 74.
So you had the old John Dock burning heads, melting shit.
I'm going to show you something when we go in here.
Oh god, all right.
You'll see like how close I was to catastrophic failure.
That's what I like to see. Because obviously that's the life I'm living now. Before that wasn't me, but hey, I got a dash here for you.
Yeah.
Which is, I'd say it's about 95% intact. And I got a couple other accessories.
Mine's like really faded in here and faded up there. The Burt Reynolds is off of it, so I've got to get, got to get back Burt Reynolds.
Yeah, well, it's yours now, so.
I've got a slightly low mileage 5.3 in here.
Awesome. That's what I'm looking for.
I also have another surprise that just dropped off before you got here.
Oh shit. All right, let's go inside.
Oh, there.
Oh boy, oh boy.
As you can tell,
stuff was starting to separate, huh?
Yes. It's coming up.
And that is the last pass?
Yeah.
Had it turned up.
Yeah. We put 1,000 horsepower in one system in it.
So just let's just talk here for a second. Yeah. If that comes off,
hole creates, burn rings, goes down, stuff flies out the exhaust.
And that's when you see the shows.
The shows, smoke, valves coming out. Let's see. I don't think I have any other ones.
And are these done? Are these retired?
These are retired.
Just done. Put them up.
Yep. Not all of them are too bad. That's number 5, and that's one of your middle cylinders that seems to get a little hot for some reason on these motors. But didn't do anything to the heads.
Which is, I assume, pretty good because I just bought a new set of cylinder heads and holy shit, they were expensive. I can only imagine these guys. These are O-ringed.
Yep.
Like full blown race car shit.
Yeah. So
I'd assume so.
550 pounds of valve spring pressure.
What?
550 pounds.
Wow.
So
what is this? Holy valve spring. That is wild.
yep.
Look, don't touch. All right, so the dash is yours. Where's my 5.3? Is that back in the corner?
You want to go back there?
Well, let's see. Let's talk about this. I can't. Every time I come in here, you just do this to me. You're like, oh, I got something new.
Oh yeah, this just dropped off like minutes before you got here.
And what is it?
6 liter.
Which is like you love the 6 liters.
Yeah, I do.
Is
My car's 6 liter.
your car's 6 liter? You got another 6 liter sitting over there, and now this one's here.
Mine's slightly modified.
Yeah, slightly.
Yeah.
But this one,
Bone stock G8, 08 G8, bone stock, had a lifter issue.
which is like everyone
Yeah.
gets rid of these because of the lift. They have the DOD lifters, absolute junk. So you see probably a ton of those, and they're simple, like you said. Probably do a DOD delete, new camshaft, and let it ride.
Lady didn't want it, low mileage G8. She was like, I want a crate motor. It's okay.
And that thing's gold. So should I do a plug right here? So you got a million DMs. I'll like link your Instagram. If you guys are on the market for a 6 liter, hit him up. Oh, you're just done. You're gonna be like, it's gonna be like a bidding war now.
Hey, I'll sell anything.
Yeah, you guys start DMing him before I have to come back here and buy that. Now we're gonna go 5.3 in.
You get 5.3 in the salty chicken.
And it's like to start a stepping stone.
Yeah, we can't turn you loose in the race car world like just like this.
Yeah, are we allowed to show this, or is
Yeah,
this a
we can
grudge
say
car?
this. This is not-
So this is I'd say this is a pretty popular setup,
Yeah.
and it works.
Yeah.
This is I'd say ideal. So 6 liter, got some decent heads on it.
243, 243.
Okay, so
that's good,
it's a
yeah.
good head, and then he's got a nice Super Victor. Is that a carb under there?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's carbed LS. Okay. See, I'd stay with the fuel or the ECU. I'd run a Holly Dominator, but this setup, I mean, it works though.
Yes.
And this car is, I wouldn't say extremely light. You have a built 6 liter.
Yeah.
So you can really pour the coals to it.
Yeah, I've got a built 6 liter, and when I built it, Callie's was kind of a sponsor of mine, and we put Callie's stuff in the bottom end. They were like, see how far you can go with it, see what it'll take, and I haven't reached that point yet.
So you're gonna keep turning the wick up.
Yeah.
Until you get there.
I take it out 3 times a year because I don't really have time. But you know, right now you're giving me motivation to come out.
That's what I like to see.
Yeah, motivation.
If we don't see that thing running on the channel soon, there's gonna be an uproar.
I am coming to YouTube call out.
Okay.
Okay. I will bring the car in case somebody wants to talk a little.
Oh, all right. I like that.
You know. So going to do that, and Streetcar Takeover.
Yes.
I've gotten a lot of grief about Streetcar Takeover.
And now it's finally time. We're gonna get you. Not bringing the Pro Mod. You guys look at this. This is literally everywhere. Everywhere. All right. So we're going over to the 5.3 now.
We got new Mark Mickey 400 stuff.
Oh my God. If you guys probably don't know what this is, but that's some of the baddest shit. This box is like one of the more badass things I've ever seen.
I called him on Monday. He said it's going to ship out Thursday. I got it Friday.
Damn it. And then you just whoop ass.
It's installed. God. C7.
God. So this is it. You know what? It looks like, did you run this last time I saw it?
I put heads on it and broke it in for you.
Oh, all right. So that guy's right there, which I think it's kind of fitting for the build because it's a little crusty. It's like the crusty, salty chicken. Yeah.
Crusty chicken.
We're there. I think it would be a shame to put like a brand new nice motor in it. And it's just simple 5.3 4-bolt head. I can't run any real good head on that because it's not a 4-inch bore space. So
No.
we'll just stick some garbage on there.
Some 817s or.
And then we'll see how far we go before it blows up. But that engine right there, it doesn't know, but it's going to die here shortly, for sure.
With carbon. It's okay.
Jason, what are we waiting for right now?
We're hoping
Lily can make it around here.
Yeah.
So, oh, I could hear. Lily always asks to drive my cars. So I was like, yeah, just take the truck. Come around here, wide open throttle. She's like hauling ass right now for a gravel road. Give me the finger. Oh, she got no backup camera. She's toast. God, this is where it's dangerous right now. What do you think of the exhaust tip, though?
I do like exhaust. Is that the world's most expensive exhaust tip?
Hey, that is the world's most expensive exhaust tip. It's a little much, I think. But it's growing on me.
It's dirty.
Yeah. No, my tip is dirty. You did a great job.
Cleaning that shit.
You did a great job. All right, it's time to load this sucker up. Get the airbag. There's one crack right here.
What the?
I told you it was one. I said it's 95%. That's the only one though. But it bolts up, so you're good.
This isn't good? Yes.
This is the best damn deal I've ever had.
And it may be a 16.
Alright, you ready?
Can you got it, John?
Can I get it up there?
I don't know. We may have to just flip the tire.
God dang. I'm too short, dude. If I had a little bit more thigh, I could get up there.
I was proud we got an iron block up here.
Because they're weak as shit.
Okay.
Coming from 100 pounds.
Whew.
Oh,
You know what?
104?
Now I understand why people don't run fucking iron blocks.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Holy shit. Just let it rest.
She's fucking there. God dang. I always thought the whole iron block was bullshit. I'm like, nah, dude, it can't be that heavy. Holy shit. Honestly though, if it's gonna blow up, I should not spend any money on it.
No.
I'm putting Felpro head bolts on it and some bullshit 5.3 heads, and dude, we're good. God, this is gonna be so great. How long? What's your guess on when I get the car running? First startup. Yes.
September? No, that's too soon.
Shut the hell up. God, this is the first motor I've ever bought.
You have a lot of time on your hands, so you should be able to do it.
Oh yeah. I don't do anything. You know, I just got a bunch of time. Everyone check out Jason because you do some badass shit.
Yeah.
Always racing,
Yeah.
and we got to get your Instagram active.
Okay.
So we'll get you posted. You get some followers, get you posted. Check him out on Instagram. DM him if you want that 6-liter. That's not any 6-liter. It's famous now because it's been in videos.
Yes, it has.
So thank you as always. I'm going to take that 5.3. I'm going to give you a dash. I'd say that's pretty fair trade.
That's fair trade.
And
I like that.
this is the start. Now we got an engine. All we got to do, I got to get a mid plate, put it in there, transmission, and engine management. And I think we're pretty much about wrapped up.
Yeah. You gotta have a seat.
You gotta have a seat. And I didn't even mention. So I do have that front end kit from Rock Solid Motorsports. They gave me that. Big shout to them. And I need somewhere to put it on. And you guys seem to be the place. You guys do all fab here at this shop. So I'm gonna bring that to you guys. We're gonna cover the entire build, and you guys are going to put the front end kit on there for me, because I'd say that's pretty much out of my reach. You guys see me struggling with the dash, so we'll let the welding and everything take place here.
You made my lunch hour, because that's what I do is watch John's video on lunch as I send him Snapchats showing me eating lunch, watching his videos, and I'm like, what is taking him so long?
Dude, listen, it's not as easy as it looks.
Have you done the door bars yet?
I have not done the door bars.
Well, when you do the door bars, then
okay. Yeah. All right, but you guys will see, I really like this build because we're going from start to finish, and you guys are going to see the front end kit get done here. I'm super excited because I see your work all the time. Obviously, it's badass.
Yep.
I mean, you do everything from race cars to some street cars, everything you guys need. So if you guys need fab work and you're down here in North Carolina, be sure to check them out, J&J Fabrication. Yep. They're your place to be. I'll throw their information in the description below. They got a car here. I guess one of these guys actually watches my videos, needs some work done. He's here getting some more work done. Yep. So that's what I like to see, full circle, you know, give back to the people that helped me out. So
that's right,
thank you, and God, I can't wait to bust some ass on the bumper. I've never been on the bumper, never pulled the wheels before.
Oh.
So it's on now.
I've done it.
Thank you as always. Guys, comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.